Don't download ClickUp Enterprise Operations Suite app before watching this. If you're about to download ClickUp's Enterprise Operations Suite, pause because most teams get overwhelmed fast, and here's why. ClickUp is one of the most customizable work management platforms on the planet. That sounds amazing, but customization can become chaos if you don't approach it with a clear strategy. The surprising truth is that ClickUp isn't just a task tool. It's docs, dashboards, goals, automation, time tracking, whiteboards, and even process mapping, everything in one place. But when teams say everything, they usually build everything, everywhere, all at once. You won't believe what happens next: duplicate spaces, random tasks, confusing dashboards, and frustrated team members. ClickUp's Enterprise Operations Suite is built for departments that need deep visibility. Marketing, sales, finance, product, everyone can run their workflows in a unified structure. The real magic is hierarchy: spaces, folders, lists, and tasks. If you master that structure, ClickUp becomes an operational superpower. For example, an enterprise can connect campaign tasks to goals, track progress in real time, automate approvals, and visualize everything on performance dashboards. But if you skip setup planning, ClickUp becomes too heavy to manage. One of the most underrated features is ClickUp AI for task summaries, stand-up notes, and content drafting. Another is advanced automations that cut repetitive work. With the right workflow, teams can save dozens of hours each week. But here's the catch: ClickUp requires discipline. It rewards teams that commit to structure and punishes teams that just start building. Before you download, ask yourself, do I want full customization, or do I need a simpler tool with guardrails? If your team demands flexibility, ClickUp is one of the strongest apps available. But if your workflows are simple, you may not need something this powerful. If you want more breakdowns that help you choose the right tools without wasting time or budget, make sure to like and subscribe.